All right. So he said, she said. What
That's
do you
right.
think of a person in the first few seconds of meeting them? So a Business Insider article shared the finding of some studies on first impressions, and we're going to see if we've ever formed those opinions when we first met someone.
Okay.
Let me say you don't get a second chance
To make a first
to make a
impression.
first impression. The first one says, if you're high status, a Dutch study found that people wearing name brand clothes, Lacoste and Tommy Hilfiger to be precise, were seen as high status than folks wearing non-designer clothes. There were no differences in perceived attractiveness, kindness, and trustworthiness, just status. I disagree.
So I'm gonna say I disagree.
There's a wrong way you hold it.
Oh, I disagree. Because it's also about how you wear it. Because if I see that you wear it and you're very comfortable in it, like you have on Gucci or you have on like a Michael Kors or something, but it not bother you, then I say, oh, that person is used to money. But if I see that you have to have the bag and you have to show me your shoes bottom because you want me know it's Louis Vuitton, and then I know you're faking it.
Yeah. Well, one of my favorite designers is Lacoste,
Yes.
but I am not high status. I remember. No.
In your mind.
No,
Remember say what you would think. Do we think Neville is high status?
No. I remember going to, it's a reason I buy it, I remember going to Brazil and we went into this store. This is years ago. And I see this pink shirt. Of course, pink is my favorite color. And everybody was buying, cheaper stuff.
Some cheap shirt.
Cheaper stuff. I'm not going to say cheap. And I look on the customer and say, why it's so expensive? But I say, no, man, I like that color shirt. And I bought it. When it lasts about 25 years. You just can't done it.
But,
which is the reason I would buy something like that. Not because it is expensive or anything like that.
Lacoste shirt.
No, but
Carlton Brown suit.
Carlton, I'm a friend, man. But this
Clark's every day of the week.
Sheffield buy them for
Rolex watch.
One, but 5,000 US, no, sir. If you are smart, at 2007, so we both disagree, right?
Yes.
All right, so
but not on the fact that you are high.
Oh, no.
Okay.
A 2007 study led by Loyola Marymount University professor found that looking your conversation partner in the eye was huge for perceived smartness. Wearing thick glasses and speaking expressively helps too. So you can just look at somebody and know that they're smart right up front.
When they open their mouth, I know if they're smart.
Yeah.
But well, I guess first impression is if you see them, you'd probably say, oh, that person looks like a nerd. So you'd probably say, oh, that person. I would.
No, I couldn't tell that they were smart by looking at them. But after having a little conversation with them, I think I could. Yeah. I would say, yeah. But I wouldn't just look at somebody and say, no, man, that person is smart or bright or whatever word. No,
my assumption might be.
No, I couldn't. Even if I found out that you went to Harvard, I couldn't just look at you and say, no, man, that person bright. But after a little.
Yeah. People see people in glasses and automatically they think.
What's the next
smart.
one?
And an eye problem you have. If you're trustworthy, people decide on your trustworthiness in a tenth of a second.
Eye problem. Trustworthy?
Yes.
No.
Much of that judgment is based on things you can't really change. For instance, research suggests that more feminine, baby-like, and happy faces are perceived to be more trustworthy. It used to be, but if you want me, don't trust you, give me the baby voice. I've figured that one out.
No, me need to know you for like a while to figure out whether I can trust you.
I call it the Michael Jackson voice. You hear them come and them say, Clive, can you go and get that for me?
That one, me disagree.
Marvin, you know the lie. People, once them going at the Michael Jackson voice.
No, well, whether them going to voice or not, I just meet somebody and say, no, man, I can't trust that person. I have to be around you for a good while too, not just a little while, a good while before I can say, yeah, man.
Michael Jackson voice, yeah, can. Me not like it, Clive, if you pet peeve.
No, that's what I'm saying, Kadeen. That's what I say. I couldn't look at you for the first time and just say, I trust you.
Yeah.
No, I agree. The first impression. If you're adventurous,
Okay.
people don't just read into who you are from your appearance, but also from the way you move. Just a few steps were needed to give a sense of personality. Students equated looser gaits with extroversion and adventurousness, while the more clipped walkers were seen as neurotic.
It is true. It is true that people do that. Like, I was somewhere on Sunday, and the music was nice, and the man said, "From I see you, I can tell, say you're frisky." I was like,
Frisky?
frisky.
What that mean?
He said more, but I won't say it on TV.
No.
So people, it's like people think because we're comedians, we're serious about nothing. So them always expect us to be laughing and, even when something bad, Like, me see Oliver Samuel stand up and complain about something. Everybody does a laugh, and the more you complain, the more they laugh.
Well, me say no.
I would agree.
Me say no. Last one, if you're successful, if you want to look successful, get it tailored.
Yes.
Participants looked at photos of men in tailored versus off-the-peg suits for just 5 seconds, with the guys in tailored suits rated as more successful. Disagree.
And let me tell you something, that used to be before Jeff Bezos and them decided that they're going to wear some slippers and some T-shirts.
Disagree.
That used to be the thing. You have to be in power suits. You go in for an interview and put on your power suit. But them man did not put on another suit.
No, I disagree. Disagree with that.
If I see on a yacht.
Yeah, that's different.
Like a yacht parked out Portland.
And it's your one.
And it's your one.
Yeah, that's different. Yeah.
The yacht out Portland.
Yeah, me agree with that.
A private jet.
Yeah, be that. You say, Oliver, I met him?
Samuel? How?
He ran into the back of my car.
Oh my God.
And when I came out and see me just bust out a laugh, it's not that funny still, and I think it all cost me. But that's why, when I see him, I just bust out a laugh. Him say, I think it went cost me. And that very same day, because the light, he busted the light, and the very same day, he went and got it and brought it and gave it to me. That's how I met him. And that's even I just bust out a laugh.
People always just laugh when
my man said, it's not that funny.
It's a blessing.
That's it for the he said, she said. What's up next?
The topic coming up is PG. That means we need